guys, Cars Across Texas here today. Today you join me here at a Space City Meets event here down here in Richmond. And it should be a banger. There's lots of cool stuff, but there is some copyrighted music blaring very loudly, so hopefully that didn't cause any problems. But it has definitely brought some cool cars out, so let's get checking some stuff out. Let me know what your favorite car is in the video down in the comments below. Remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet. If you're looking for a new ride or anything pre-owned, I got you covered. I can go for good credit, bad credit, or no credit, so hit me up, email me or DM me. I'll put them both on the screen here. And also, I'm hosting my own car meet in Tomball at the end of February here, so I'll put all the details up here on screen right here somewhere, and then also the link to the event page is down below. But without further ado, let's get right on the action. All right, boys, I just gotta talk a lot, I guess, so I don't get copyrighted, but we have probably the sickest R8 in Houston here, hard parked. It's got like the matte silver with the chrome, full body kit. This thing looks absolutely freaking insane. Definitely the cleanest R8 in Houston, I believe. Got the homies here at Lab 24 Coffee out with the coffee. Hell yeah, much needed, some caffeine. We got a couple boys rolling on up in the R35, looking real good. And then behind the R35 GTR, we got a Durango Dango Hellcat. There you go. We got the real nice wide body Hellcat here on some deep concave welds, looking really good. I've said it before, but I always really like a deep dish drag pack on these things, man. We got a Z01 1LE rolling through. There we go. Alrighty, we got some imports over here looking good with this little Civic hatch. There we go. Very, very nice. Got some work clearly done to this thing. Let's take a peek in here. Where is that at? There you go. You can see it right there. It's really clean. I like it. And you got the bagged Evo out once again. A nice Gen 1 R8 pulling up, and my camera's not focused. What the hell is going on with my camera? That's a little Gen 1 R8 pulling up. There we go. Hopefully I don't get demonetized. YouTube overlords, please be kind to me. All right, boys, hold your excitement. We don't have one dog. We don't have two dogs. We got three dogs. Hello, my friend. Hello, hello, hello. At this point, there's a high likelihood that I have recorded more dogs at this car meet than I have cars. But look at this doggy. Hello, my friend. We got a Trackhawk. Nice. We got a caged 5th gen rolling out. Oh, Jesus Christ Almighty.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay.
All right.
I don't know what the hell I just watched. It ripped the fucking bumper right off. Bumper back in place. That is quite a turbo right there, my friends.
I haven't seen you in so long. Your car's across Texas.
All right, turbo Camaro. Seemed like about to start up.
I've never heard of a car like that.
Jesus Christ Almighty. God dang. Dog, man. Jeez. Got a nice C7 rolling in over here. Nice. Got a GT3 RS rolling on up. Super clean. Very, very nice white GT3 RS. I like it. I heart jorts. Seems like more of a Corvette plate. Apparently we got a twin turbo Mustang here. We got the GTR rolling in as well. There we go. Very nice. What I'm more concerned with is we got an eruption green golden ticket GT500. I love this color, dude. Actually, is this a real carbon fiber track pack, or does it just have the wing? Good plate. That's funny. Got the CTS V3 started up and chopping hard, sounding good. We got a couple cars rolling on up here like this S550 on the drag pack. There we go. We got this twin turbo Mustang here, looking good. Come and take it. Very nice. We got a sharp looking 5th gen here on a D5 beadlock. And then most importantly, we have the twin turbo S197. But that's not what I'm concerned with. What I'm concerned with, or not concerned with, what I'm wanting to get on the video is the puppy dog. Hello. Hello. Boosted, I guess, as well. Got the gauges inside. Oh, now you can hear the turbo. Yes, sir. Yep. Definitely hear them turbos. I think we're gonna have more dogs than cars in today's video, boys. Hello. Hi. Hello. We got 2 dogs. There you go. Haven't had this car out to me in a long time. You got the suit on and everything. That's awesome. You got the V3 rolling by. Hellcat Durango rolling out. That's me. Ari rolling out over there. Graffiti boy rolling in right here. Some more boys rolling in over here. Little dark horse. Looking good. I like that color a lot. Then you got a Mustang rolling in behind. There you go. Then a ZL1. Quite nice, my friend. There we go. Well, that's 197 rolling through. Some more boys rolling up very late to the party. It means it's been going on for like 2 hours already. But we got them pulling up no matter what. We got the flamethrowing boy right here in the 5.0. Got the C7 Z06 behind, looking sharp. And got the Z01 with the 1LE style wing on it. I'm bagging my brand and wearing my chains and driving my cars and shit. RS7 maybe? Yes, very nice. Clean little C6. Got a GT3. Oh, what are you doing, buddy? Where are you going, brother? Nice.
You on Instagram?
Yeah, Cars Across Texas.
Oh shit.
That's me. Yes, sir.
Dude, I've been following you for a long time.
I appreciate you, man. See you, buddy. Thing sounds really good. They've been two-stepping the hell out this Camaro. They're still going. They've been doing this for a minute. God, dog. You can see the flames and the heat have melted the paint on the bumper. Couple boys rolling out. Let's go to the exit and get them leaving. Just make sure we don't miss any sins. See you, buddy. The Modelo tap is insane. That's incredible. Looks like we got the eruption green Shelby rolling out. We got a Rapid Blue 6 Gen about to roll out. Oh, hitting me with a no lift shift. I see you, boy. Got that Z01 1LE rolling out. Not the TC skirting the tires on the spare. Ah, this is crazy work, my friend. That boy on the spare. Incredible. GTR getting a little squirrely. Where you going, brother? Where y'all going? Got a gaggle of Mustangs rolling out with the GT350 rolling out first. Turbo 5.0. Whipple GT500. Woo! See the flames there. The Whipple GT350. Alrighty, boys, we got a last couple of cars rolling out here. We got the Turbo 5th Gen and the Turbo S550. Got the LT1 Camaro rolling out. And probably the last car I'm gonna get, we got the twin turbo S197 with the dog. Oh. That is going to be it for today's video. It was a pretty solid one. There's some really cool builds and some really cool cars. A couple new builds for the channel. A couple builds that haven't been in the videos in like 2 years or so. So it's always nice seeing the guys coming back out and some of the new stuff coming out as well. We got some good tins. We got some cars shooting flames. We got that fast Camaro ripping its bumper off, which is kind of funny. But hopefully you boys enjoyed. Remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet, and I have gloss and gears coming up at the end of the month. I hope to see you guys there. And on that note, I'll catch you later.